The CG was perfect. Fly sky, no gyro, no stabilizer. Okay.
Yeah, I think you're right. The STS is the slower one.
The STS? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, the SS is the fastest one. It's the 6S.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, my guy.
I feel like we should get there first.
Okay.
It's probably
Alright.
not gonna work.
Watch. Oh, that worked.
Oh yeah. I need some up trim on it. Let's see if I can do a loop. Oh my god.
Nice loop.
Mama, you're supposed to be more.
High alpha.
Come on, Mama. Mama. There's signs on the side. There's numbers. How about now? There we go. What is that? High Tech 2. What does it say High Tech 2? It says High Tech 2. High Tech 2. I'm gonna do a low flyby.
Okay.
Leo, let me have the ball.
Oh, what else?
Yeah.
I like that. That was nice.
I don't have enough battery. Let's see if we can.
Let's do it again.
Another one. I'm gonna land it.
Okay. He coming in for landing.
Ian. Gonna go from this side. Ian, this one.
Nice. Nice, nice.